Hi everyone, so there's an update to share. First thing, I went to Panorama Mall. I couldn't find a good thobe over there in a reasonable price. They were like very expensive for the price they were selling, and well, the quality wasn't up to like the expectation that I had. But well, I was editing one video after coming from there. Now I'll go to another thobe shop, like a local one instead of a large brand, so maybe we can find there something that is decently priced and also has quality. So in the meanwhile, I was editing one video for my new TikTok, which is gaining a lot of traction. So check out this video. This is in Arabic, so I'll play it for you. يا جماعة الخير السلام عليكم معكم أبو طلحة. أصلا أنا باكستاني لكن أسوي فيديوز باللهجة السعودية، والحين بعد صلاة الجمعة شفت واحد قاعد. كيف تقول قاعد؟ قطة. يلا نشوف سوا. شوف كيف هذا الله كيوت. يلا اجلس اجلس اجلس. راح نطيحة موية. اجلس اجلس. ما في أي حركات، بس اجلس. يلا اجلس هنا هنا. أيوة جايك. يلا روح تحت تحت. انزل 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 تحت. ايوه هنا هنا. يلا تفضل بالعافية. goodness. تعال اشرب موية. اشرب اشرب. Oh goodness. So I'll post it with you and then we'll see what the results are. So it's already uploaded 97%, so it is uploaded actually right now. So I'll leave from here and we'll go to the thobe shop. Thobe. So hopefully looking to get some good thobe over there for the Saudi National Day, but I need the one with like a proper collar. The one that I have before, it's like half a collar, but it's actually good. It's actually good. I like it. There's a very good mosque over here. Yeah, let's go. So we are going through a neighborhood here on the Takhasusi street. I think the place will be Hama. No, not Hama. Mazar. Yeah, Mazar Shimali. I used to remember this name when I was going on the bus, but now alhamdulillah I have a car. But I remember the name from the bus because there was a stop, a speed breaker. Okay. Right now I think the video that I posted, it's likely to get some good views, inshallah, because around the evening people do use more of their mobile. So we'll check on that as well. Zero views, come on. We'll put it to the story. I put it on the story as well, and we'll see what happens with it. The tricks my friend Abdullah Al Kharji gave me, they are like really dope. He is also a dope person. He's very good with social media. He's handling the social media stuff for some brands as well. He has his own startup as well, Mumtaz Jiddan, and he's my mentor on social media, for social media. From Aruba Road, I think we are going to face a lot of traffic, so better not go from there, or we shall go from the King Abdullah Road. King Abdullah. So the car has almost completed 1 year as well, and I got the battery changed. Well, it happened all of a sudden. The battery died up on me and gave up on me, and I was all out and about. But gladly, where it gave up, there was a battery shop next to it, battery and tires. But Riyadh were Kafurat, Kif Tagul tires, Kafarat, something like this, yeah. So then I got the battery change from there straight away, and hopefully inshallah the next battery will also last 1 year. Got the warranty for it, paid the bill, got it fixed, and then moved on. Well, the map is saying we better go from here. There isn't much traffic on Takhasusi at this time. In the evening there would have been, but I went to Panorama Mall, so I didn't have to face it. So what do you people think? What's the ideal posting schedule for TikTok? Like, how many times a day should one post on it? I'm quite tired though from work. Lately the past month has been super tiring. I've been doing a lot of work lately. Also, I'm gonna go to Pakistan, inshallah, very soon. this route saved some time, and we get to see the Tesla Cybertruck. Mumtaz Jiddan. Mumtaz Jiddan. Yalla, let's go. Now we have to go here, so let these people go and we'll come in here. So very unlikely that we'll see there's a camera over there, so you have to be very careful. There's a lot of cameras around here in Riyadh, so I was saying that it's very unlikely that we'll go in the first green one. Green signal. In front of us we have a Mercedes, and you see it has the sword and palm emblem in between. I used to wonder which sorts of cars have this, and I got to know that you can pay like 800 extra to get this number plate. Otherwise you get the normal white one like you see on the other cars. You can get the Vision 2030 one, you can get this one, there's a few variations that you can get. This one that has Diriyah on it. So that's about it. You pay 800 riyal and you get your number like this. And I guess putting the simple number plate on a Mercedes over here wouldn't suit that much. This longer one suits the style of a Mercedes. Onwards we go or not? There's a hotel over here, Alma, and it doesn't have that much of a presence. It's like a dark building and there's not much going on other than the logos. But well, how do they make it work? By not being so flashy. How? Like how? Are they doing good with the hotel booking sites, or where are all the bookings and this marketing coming from if they are not doing it that much physically? And how would anyone know if what Alma is, a hotel or what? Over here they don't have it written, but on the top they have it, Alma Fandak Alma. So we have a green light, but not sure if we are gonna make it. Hello, let's see if we are lucky enough. Are we or not? That's the question. Let's see. Oh. That was a very dangerous one, but anyways the guy was asking for it, so here we are. Yet again sitting over here, but no worries. There used to be Zoo Cafe over there. I have good memories from there. They closed down and I think no one is taking the place. There are some renovations going on and off, but since a year or more there's no one occupying this. It's not an efficient use of space, although there's a shisha spot right next to it and it's like full most of the times. But this one, it didn't do well, although it was one of the best coffee shops that I had seen here in Riyadh, with such a beautiful interior and decor. it was worth it. But I guess they didn't do that much business to keep them in business. So that's a case study for us. Even a great location won't guarantee that